show you how I flat iron my hair. This is an updated video. We're going to be using Silkout oil by Tiana's Creations, and this is rose scented, and it's lightly. Just use it to moisturize and help reduce frizz and repair split ends. It's lightweight oil for low level porosity hair, and you can also use it for high level porosity hair because it's going to help with heat protection and all of that. So it leaves the hair bouncy and straight and with a silky finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and it's a spray, so we'll spray it lightly. As you spray it, you can just go ahead, and I'll just sometimes take it in my hands and do it because I don't like to put too much oil on my hair. Make sure you get it in the scalp and on the ends of the hair. And once you're done, you just section your hair, which I like to just go down and section it into two. Put this side out the way and break this side into two. Split into two. And I'm going to clip this side up. And I will just start flat ironing like the back section of my hair. So I start from the back bottom. My flat irons, pass it through one time, and then I take it like so and hold it as I pass it through. And then you can just let it set there for a little, like so. And that's it. So I'm gonna finish this off camera, guys, and then I'll show you what it looks, the complete look. Okay, as you can see, I've started one side and I've kind of like spiraled it like so. And now we're just going to braid the other side. Do an underbraid. So what you do is just continue braiding this, then you can loosen it up as you go. Not to be perfect, so just, you know, just take your hands and just kind of like braid it all the way down. And what we're gonna do next is we're just going to, the hair that I just like braided on this side, I'm gonna connect it on that side like so. A little more hair out on this side and curl it so it can balance. So okay, so this will conclude my tutorial on how I flat iron style my hair using my Silkout by Tiana's Creations, and how I do like style my hair with Underbraid. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to order my Silkout oil, you can go to Amazon.com or you can go to my website at www.tianacreations.com. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.